Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Ngrok 3.22 on Parrot Security OS 6 or 6.3, but the process is same on all Parrot Security OS versions. Okay, first open any web browser, also verify whether we have the Ngrok. See, you don't have Ngrok, now go to the web browser, then go to Ngrok official website, that is ngrok.com. Then hover mouse on this get Ngrok, then click on download, then select Linux. See, here we have, you can run these commands directly, but we must have the auth token. So go back, first we have to sign up. If you already sign up, then you have to click on login. So if you haven't signed up, click on sign up, then you have to provide name, your email and password. Then you will receive email for verification. Then you have to go to email and click on the verification email. Okay, so I have already registered. Click on login, then provide the email that you have registered. See, in the dashboard, in the left side, see here we have the setup and installation, and it selected Linux, and see here it populated the commands related to Linux. We have three methods: apt, installation and snap method. I am going to use the apt repository method. Okay, first we have to verify whether curl is installed or not. Open terminal, curl -- version. See, we have curl. Okay, Control A. Now execute this command to install Ngrok. Copy it, paste it. See, this is not single command, it contains 4 steps. First it is going to download this AC key, that is GPG key, then it is going to add this to this Ngrok list file in the sources. Then it is going to update the packages, then it is going to install the Ngrok. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. If you haven't recently updated the packages, this will take time. We have successfully installed Ngrok and its version is 3.22. Control A, verify the version of the Ngrok that we have installed. Ngrok -- version. See, we have installed Ngrok 3.22.1. Okay. Now, next step is we have to run the following command to add your auth token to default ngrok.yaml file. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. It is done. See, it created a configuration file in this directory. Okay, so this is the current directory. Now next, deploy your application online. Before deploying application, verify the status of the Apache server. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. Sorry, it is typo. See, Apache server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. You took it. Sudo systemctl start Apache 2. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, Apache web server is started. You took it. Control A. Now run Ngrok HTTP 80. Hit enter. See, it populated session status, account information, version number, region, web interface link, and forwarding. So copy this forwarding link. See, it populated the latency information. Copy it, and number of connections 0. Open it up, paste it, hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Now we will create a sample HTML file and execute. So open new tab, file, open new tab, cd, go to where www ls. See, here we have the HTML, cd, HTML folder, ls, we have these files. Now create a sample HTML file. Sudo vi hello world .html. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. I am not going to add more tags, just press I to insert mode. I am giving only h1 tag. My channel, close the HTML tag, escape, :, exclamation. Now at the end, here give that hello world dot HTML. Hit enter. See, you got the output. Okay. Suppose if you stop this Apache web server, this won't work. So stop it. Sudo systemctl. Stop Apache 2. Hit enter. Now reload this page. See, it is not going to work. Even if you go to here, see, bad gateway. Okay. So start it again. Hit enter. It is started. Verify the status. See, Apache server is started. Q to quit. Now reload this page. See, we got the content of the hello world HTML file. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure Ngrok latest version, that is 3.22 on Parrot Security OS. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.